In order to find your Dog Island assignment in Schoology, you need to go to isd728.schoology.com. You need to click on Courses, go down to your blue 4, click on the Books to go into Technology, and then scroll down until you find the purple Research folder and the purple Introduction to the Internet folder. Now here are the assignments that you already completed. Here's Internet Vocabulary, and here's the Uncovering URLs. Today you'll be working in this folder, Dog Island, and in Dog Island there are 2 links. The first one is to the website, and the second one is your assignment, and you know it's the assignment because of the pencil and paper icon. So when you click on the link, you click here to go to the website, you will get a blank screen. You need to click on the words here, Dog Island, that will take you to the website. Then you go back to Schoology and use your breadcrumb trail to go back to Dog Island folder. And here is your assignment, Dog Island note-taking work. And then of course yours will say My Document here, and you will open up your document and you will see the note-taking form. Okay, when you open up that document, a lot of times you'll see half of your screen will be Schoology and half of your screen will be the doc. You will see this little square with an arrow icon right next to your Submit Assignment button once you open the document, and if you click on that, it will make it full screen. The only thing is that when you get ready to turn it in, you have to close that and go back to the half Schoology, half document screen to see your Submit button.